Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to never lose your ChatGPT work, how to protect your personal info and which settings to check. Recently, a professor lost 2 years of work just by changing a setting, and we are going to make sure that doesn't happen to you. First, let's talk about chat history and memory. This is the most important setting for keeping your past chats safe. So on your ChatGPT screen, you can go to your profile icon here and then click on it and then click the settings and then go to the personalization, and here you will see the options for reference saved memories. So you need to enable this one and the reference chat history. So make sure both of these are turned on. You can even this allows ChatGPT to remember past chats and bring them back when you need them. If these are turned off or toggled off, made off, then your chats can be deleted permanently. That's what happened to the professor. Now let's check the another setting, which is under the data controls. So click on the data controls and you will see there is an option that says improve the model for everyone. So you can either turn it on or turn it off. When you turn it on, what it does is all your information is sent to the ChatGPT model to improve the model for everyone. So this allows your content to be shared with the ChatGPT, and that is used to train their models. So make sure if you don't like this, you should always turn this off, so it keeps your data private and it ensures that all your conversations are not used to train AI models. So this is important, and more importantly, it does not delete your saved chats, so you can feel safe to disable this. So for privacy conscious users, it's safe to turn this off. So now let's talk about the personal information or PII. So if you want to, you should always avoid typing email, phone number, home address and ID numbers in the regular chats. If you still want to discuss sensitive information, before you start the chat, use the temporary chat option at the top right of the screen, as you can see here. So click on the temporary chat and there you go. All your chats are not remembered or saved. So this is how you enable the temporary chat. If you want to go back to the normal chat, you can always click the button back again and come to the normal chat. So that's how you protect your personal information. Another crucial step is backing up your important conversations. So ChatGPT is a tool for productivity. It is not a permanent storage system. So to back up your conversation, simply copy the text on the screen and paste it into your notepad, Google Docs or notes. You can also take screenshots. If you want to export all of your chats, then you can do that by going to the export option that ChatGPT provides, and you can go to the settings and data controls, and then there is an export data option here, and you click the export button, and then it says all of your chat conversations, your account details and the chats will be included in the report. It includes everything, and once it generates that report, it sends you an email with a link to the download where you can download. The download link will expire in 24 hours after you receive it. So if you didn't download it within 24 hours, then you can come here and request it again, and then you can confirm the button. The processing will take some time and you will be notified when it is ready. So this is how you export everything, and you will get an email shortly with all your data. So that is how you do these settings. So following these steps will prevent disasters like losing years of work and help you keep your AI work safe, private and useful. So if you found this video useful, consider subscribing to our channel. I share practical advice for developers, QA engineers and anyone using AI tools. Thank you.